Alright, today we've got an iPhone 15 Pro in pretty rough shape. The frame is banged up, and both the front and back glass are shattered. But luckily, the motherboard is completely fine, so we don't have to mess with that. We're just replacing the frame, back glass, and the display. To do that, I am removing these two bottom screws. After that, we'll heat up the display to loosen the adhesive.
Nope, not here. We follow safety protocols like a GPS. No wrong turns.
Now with a display opener, we carefully pop off the screen. This glue is super stubborn, so I'm adding a bit of isopropyl alcohol to help. With a little patience and some gentle pressure, there we go. The display is separated from the frame now. Next, we start unscrewing all the internal components: the rear camera, Face ID sensors, battery, and front cameras, all coming out one by one. These are all the internal parts of an iPhone 15 Pro laid out. Pretty cool, right? Now, before we reassemble, we're applying a fresh waterproof seal to the new frame. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the new frame versus the old, broken one. Finally, after putting back everything to the new body, a quick blast of air to get rid of any dust, and we're ready for reassembly to screen. At Aries Mobile, we make repairs quick, affordable, and hassle-free. Plus, every device goes through a quality check to ensure it runs smoothly for the long use and no-drop performance. If you want to take our services, check the video description. That's all for today. Join our social media platforms and subscribe to the channel. Peace.